Hello everyone, today myself Dipshika is here with my new YouTube video and this video is about the Working Women Hostel scheme. So, there are many schemes like this which are very helpful but we are unknown about it. And this is one of the scheme which is very rarely known. It is very helpful for the working woman. So, to know about the scheme, do watch the full video. Now let's start about the Working Women Hostel scheme. The name of the scheme is the Working Women Hostel scheme. It was launched on 6th of April 2017. It was announced by our Prime Minister Mr. Narendra Modi. It is supervised by Women and Child Care Development Ministry. And the target audience is the BPL and the helpless women. Means the target audience of this scheme is the BPL and the helpless women. Here BPL stand for the below poverty line. So the women who are below poverty line and helpless, these are the target audience of the Working Women Hostel scheme. And the scheme type is central, means it is a central based scheme. Now let's see about the eligibility criteria for the Working Women Hostel scheme. Number 1 is widowed, single, separated women are allowed. So any woman is allowed but she should be a working woman. Number 2 is physically handicapped women are allowed. So if a woman is physically handicapped, then also she is allowed. Scheme below poverty level women. Scheme is for the below poverty level women who are helpless. Now let's see about the hostel facilities and hostel rent. As the women will get the hostel according to this scheme, so what are the hostel facilities and hostel rent? But before this, I want to say that this scheme is very helpful as this helps the women to get a shelter in a new place in a very low cost. Imagine if any woman earned rupees 15,000 and she went in search of the rent or a PG or a hostel for shelter. So, if she found a PG where the rent is rupees 10,000 and the rest she have is only 5,000 with her. So, can she survive in only that rupees 5,000? So, the answer is no. She can't survive. In a big city, you can't survive only in 5,000 rupees. So, how she will get a shelter to live in a low cost shelter? So, for that type of women who earn less, but they earn and they want a shelter, low cost shelter. So, for that type of women, this scheme is very beneficial as this scheme provides the hostel facilities with a low cost and low rent. So let's see about the hostel facilities and hostel rent. In case of a single bedroom, the hostel rent will not exist 15% of their gross salary. मतलब अगर एक रूम में एक बेड होगा तो उस 15% उसका पूरा सैलरी से 15% एग्जिट नहीं करेगा, मतलब 15% से ज़्यादा नहीं जाएगा, बस 15%. इन द केस ऑफ डबल बेडरूम्स, अगर 2 बेड होंगे, नॉट एक्सीडिंग 10% ऑफ देयर ग्रॉस सैलरी, तो उसका ग्रॉस सैलरी से बस 10% ही, उससे ज़्यादा एक्सीड नहीं करेगा. इन द केस ऑफ डॉर्मिटरीज मतलब जहाँ बहुत सारे बेड होते हैं, 2 से ज़्यादा, तो वहाँ पे क्या होगा, द हॉस्टल रेंट विल नॉट एग्जिस्ट 7.5% ऑफ द ग्रॉस सैलरी, उसका पूरा ग्रॉस सैलरी का बस 7.5% लगेगा, उससे ज़्यादा एक्सीड नहीं करेगा. चिल्ड्रन इन द डे केयर सेंटर, अगर मान लो कोई केस में उसका चिल्ड्रन भी वहाँ रह सकता है. इन सम केसेस, इन सम एक्सेप्शंस, देयर चिल्ड्रन कैन ऑल्सो लिव विथ देयर मदर. सो दैट टाइम द रूम रेंट या हॉस्टल रेंट विल not exceed 5% of the emoluments of their mother. When the women got their hostel or got their room, so the question is for how many years or for how much long the woman can stay there. So let's see the period of stay. Under this scheme, the assisted working woman applicant is not allowed to stay in a hostel for more than a period of 3 years. So This scheme provides a hostel for the working woman, but only for 3 years. The working woman can stay in that hostel only for 3 years. And the biggest question is that how to apply for the scheme. So till now we have understood about the scheme, but how to apply for the scheme? If you are the beneficiary or you are the applicant or you want a hostel, then how to apply for the scheme? Women applying for the first time need to obtain the form from the district women welfare committee. If you are applying for this scheme for the first time, then you need to obtain the form from the district women welfare committee. The form need to be filled and submitted to the Ministry of Women and Child Development. After the filling of that form that you brought from the district women welfare committee, you fill it and then you have to submit it to the Ministry of Women and Child Development. The application should be accompanied with all the supporting documents. So the documents mentioned there, you need to submit that form with the supporting documents. So this was all about the scheme, and if anyone wants to know more about the scheme, so you can comment below or you can comment the doubt below. I will try to clear or justify your questions. So this was all about the working woman hostel scheme, and I think this scheme is really beneficial for the working women who earn very less and who want a shelter in low cost. So many people like us still don't know about many schemes, and those schemes are very helpful. So I will try to tell about the scheme in my next videos, and this is one of them, and I think you should share this video with others so that they can be aware of such schemes. Okay, so this all for today, and if you liked my video, so please like, share and subscribe it. Okay, thank you, and we will meet in the next video. Till then, bye bye.